In this video, I'm going to go over the primary actions, scene settings, and tools within the right-hand side of the Doodly interface. So the first thing we'll notice is at the top you'll see a Save button. Save obviously allows you to save your project. The Preview button allows you to preview the current scene or scenes within your Doodly video. The Export button is what you're going to want to use to actually create your video that you can then upload to your favorite video hosting service. Scene settings is going to allow you to edit various aspects of your scene, and the tools icon is going to allow you to zoom in or zoom out. So let me show you each of those in action. So the first thing we'll do is we'll take a character and we'll drag it over to a scene. Once we do that, we'll notice that the character is on the scene. I'm going to increase the size just a bit here. The next thing we'll do is we'll click on the second scene. You can add more scenes by clicking on the plus icon. Once we're on the second scene, you'll notice that it's blank, so I'm going to go ahead and add another character into the scene. And I'm going to increase the size of this one as well. Now that we have two scenes, what I want to do is click on Preview. If I click Preview, it's going to allow me to preview the whole video. So we're going to see the first scene, and it's going to slide off, and we're going to see the second scene drawn. Close the window by clicking the X. Another thing that you can do is right-click on a scene down in the timeline, and you can watch just that specific scene. The Scene Settings button allows you to change the animation between the scenes. So you'll notice when we watch the preview, as soon as the first screen was finished being drawn, it slid off to the left. If we click Scene Settings, you notice there's an exit animation option here. Swipe left, which is currently what it's set to. You notice that at the time of making this video, there's either none or there's swipe left. I'm going to click on none, and I'm going to click Apply, and then we're going to click Preview to preview what happens. So you notice it's drawn, and then it just disappears, and then the second scene is drawn. We are working on several more animations to Doodly. Those should be added within the next week or two. And again, those will be located within the Scene Settings button here under the drop down. Extra time at the end simply allows you to have more time between scenes. So currently it's set to 0.5 seconds. If we increase that to 3 seconds and click Apply, now we'll click Preview and we'll watch what happens. So you notice the first scene is drawn, then it's going to wait 3 seconds before it goes to the second scene. I'm going to go back into the scene, and I'm going to take it back down to the default 0.5 seconds. Click Apply. And then the last button on the right is the Tools plus icon and minus icon. If we click the plus icon, you'll notice that the image here gets larger and larger. And this is handy if you have several objects on your screen and you're trying to align them correctly. The minus icon allows you to then zoom back out. And those are the primary options within the right-hand side toolbar of Doodly. Thanks for watching.